Alright, so welcome back to Mtl Box Breaks. It is Sunday, September the 8th, and it is now 8:35 a.m. Eastern Time. So I will now do break number 284, which is a Upper Deck Series 1 2012-13. Brand new box. Serial number NE 189604343. Six, plus 6 is 12. Plus 6 it's 18. And the last 6 for 24. Empty box. Alright, so good luck everyone. UD canvas for the Boston Bruins, Brad Marchand. Young Guns for the Phoenix Coyotes, Matt Watkins. Checklist for the LA Kings. Game jersey for the Anaheim Ducks, Cam Fowler. All base pack. MVP for the Edmonton Oilers, Jordan Eberle. Young Guns for the Buffalo Sabres, Travis Turnbull. UD canvas for the Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. Young Guns for the Montreal Canadiens, Gabriel Dumont. Game jersey for the Boston Bruins, Tuukka Rask. Young Guns for the San Jose Sharks, Tyson Sexsmith. Base, and base. UD canvas for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. Hockey Heroes for the Boston Bruins, Bobby Orr. UD canvas, Young Guns for the St. Louis Blues, Jake Allen. Base, and base. Hockey Heroes for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Borgie Salming. Silver Skates for the Edmonton Oilers, Jordan Eberle. Young Guns for Dallas, Riley Smith. MVP for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. base pack. Silver skates for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Phil Kessel. Young Guns for the Calgary Flames, Sven Berchi. So we have 4 packs left. MVP for the New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur. UD exclusives for the New Jersey Devils, Adam Henrik. For the Boston Bruins, clear cut, pride of the USA, Tim Thomas. Number out of 100. Base, base, and base. Last pack. MVP for the Calgary Flames, Jarome Iginla. Alright, so that's it for this break. So in break 284, we got hits from Calgary, Jarome Iginla. Boston Bruins, Tim Thomas. New Jersey Devils, Adam Henrik. New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur. Calgary, Sven Berchi. Toronto, Phil Kessel. Pittsburgh, Sidney Crosby. Riley Smith for Dallas. Jordan Eberle for Edmonton. Borges Salming for Toronto. Jake Allen for St. Louis. Bobby Orr for Boston. Shea Weber for Nashville. Tyson Sexsmith for San Jose. Tuukka Rask for Boston. Gabriel Dumont for Montreal. Jimmy Howard for Detroit, Travis Turnbull for Buffalo, Jordan Eberle for Edmonton, Cam Fowler for Anaheim, checklist for the LA Kings, Matt Watkins for Phoenix, and Brad Marchand for the Boston Bruins. Alright, so thank you very much once again for joining the breaks. I hope that your team got good hits, and I also hope to see you on next breaks.